So we're off to Disney Springs now. We have a dinner reservation at Rainforest Cafe. Our reservation's for 6:30, but it's only 4 o'clock. So we're gonna have a wander around Disney Springs and see what's there before dinner. And then after dinner, we'll just come back. I'm sure it'll be a late one by the time we get back. Well, hopefully not too late, because tomorrow we're going to Hollywood Studios. We're just walking to the bus to get that to Disney Springs. Hopefully we don't have to wait too long, and there's one there. They come fairly often, all the buses here. Yeah, here at Pop. Even at wherever we're going, we're rarely waited for a bus. Okay, we're at Disney Springs. We have 2 hours before our reservation, so we're just gonna have a wander around. Lululemon. Oh, it's nice and cool under here. Yes, Ava?
Do you know what my favorite place was? Look, it's just look at you. That was how
Fit to run.
It's a wishing well.
Sugar Boo and Co. Never heard of that. Half these shops I haven't heard of. There's the Coca-Cola Store. We're gonna head there, check it out. Wolfgang Puck. So when we got off at the bus and came into Disney Springs, we turned left, and that leads to this way. Chicken guy.
Picture with the mum.
Planet Hollywood. The theatres are down there, straight ahead. Okay, let's go in the Coke store. It's a nice red jumper. Coke Zero. What do you got, Ava? Yeah. Oh, Coke and Disney collab. There's a few things. It's a cute top. So price. Oh, yeah. $22.95. Wow, look at all the caps, the hats. So many. Bottles.
Another Coke Zero.
Oh, yeah.
I need it. I need it.
Scrunchies and jewelry.
I need
Watches. Wow. Coca-Cola Opoly. Puzzles. I don't know how many people actually buy all this Coke stuff. Like, does anyone actually wear them? Wear the clothes? I can understand some of these novelty stuff, but not the clothes. There's that Disney Springs balloon, or hot air balloon, whatever you want to call it. Man, it's huge. I didn't realise it's that big. Whenever I've seen it in photos and videos, it looks small. But it's massive. I should say it's directly opposite the Coke store. The Coke store's just there. The hot air balloon thing is there. The Disney Springs balloon's closed due to weather. I don't know if it's because of the forecast that it's going to rain. I'm not sure. But right now it's fine weather. Weird, we're just crossing the bridge.
It's gonna rain. Look, it's gonna rain.
The Edison. Ah, the ganachery is here. It's just coming up over there. There's the ganachery.
Can you go in?
Hopefully. Oh, here's Gideon's. I wonder if it's still open. Might get the cookies. Let's see if it's open. Oh, and Jock Lindsay's hanger bar is here. We're going to see if this is open or if it's closed. I have a feeling we might have to come in the morning. I don't know, there's still a line. Is there still a line to get in? Yeah, sugar. Let's see how long the line is. To wait outside. Oh wow.
What are you waiting for?
It's huge. We're lining up at Gideon's. We thought we'll see if it's moving. And we thought we'd line up now because it'll get worse later. We've got the menu. I'm going to show the menu. I'm thinking the original chocolate chip, peanut butter crunch, and a banana bread chocolate chip one.
They're the only ones I'll eat as well.
Yeah. I would have liked that dark coffee cake cookie, but it doesn't come out till 8 o'clock tonight. We're in. It smells so good in here. I wish you could smell it. Oh, it smells amazing. It makes you just want to buy everything. Maybe that's their ploy. Make it smell good in here so you buy everything. Okay, here's the flavors. We're thinking to get the coffee toffee, the banana bread chocolate chip. Oh, it looks so good. The original chocolate chip. That's the pistachio one. We're not getting that. And that's the triple chocolate. We're not getting that one. We want to get the peanut butter one, but it's on the other side. Here's the cake. The first one's key lime pie cake. That's the size of them. The slice. The middle one is coffee toffee double roasted. And the last cake is chocolate churro cake. So that's the cookies and cream, the triple chocolate again. You got the original chocolate chip again, the pistachio toffee chocolate one, and there's the peanut butter crunch one that we're going to get. Got 4 Gideon's cookies. Now we're going to get these girls a drink. Gelato in there. I wonder if they have any drinks. Joffrey's. Ah, this is the boat that goes in the water. Let's have a look. The car, sorry, that goes in the water, not the boat.
Por aquí, ven, mira.
¿Qué pasó?
Se va para el agua y se fue.
No tome a eso.
Wow. So, I asked about how much the amphicar, that's what it's called, amphicar costs. It's $125 for a 20-minute tour. I'm sure that you've got to put tax on top of that. And that's for 4 people. That's how many people the car fits. Yeah. For a family, look, it's not too bad.
Even for us, yeah.
For 4 people, if you're going in, it's just 2 of you, that's when it gets expensive. You want to have 4 people fill up the car. There's paddlefish. Wow, it really is the shape of a ship. A riverboat, that's it, riverboat. And there's the Rainforest Cafe, that's where we're going to eat. Straight across. There's the Lego store and World of Disney behind it. Oh, it's still going. It's erupting. The volcano, look at it. Wow. Oh, wow. We're just in the Lego store. The girls wanted to come in. And then we're going to head across to the Rainforest Cafe and see if we can go in earlier than our reservation. Just so we can eat while it's hot and be in somewhere cool, and then come out later at night when it's cooled down and look around. Wow. Wow. Yeah, Cheetah, he says to make your own. They can make a car and then race them down here. This is just out the front of the Lego store. It's navy.
Like my school clothes?
Yeah.
Yeah, that should fit enough. I don't think my car is. I'll have to check it out. You like it?
Yeah, it's cute.
It's blue, my favorite color.
Yeah.
Go, beautiful. Go race next.
Alright, let's go.
Ready?
Okay, we're just crossing the bridge, making our way to Rainforest Cafe. Oh, it's nice and cool here from that. The crocodile's moving. Oh, it's erupting. That's hot. Oh my God, that's hot. The heat coming from that. Woo. Whoa! Oh! Amount of heat from that. Wow, this is our table. Thank you.
My name is Gideon, ma'am. I hope you and your family have a great time. Your server will be with you all.
Thank you.
Right back over.
appetizers, soups and salads, pastas, seafood, which is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking the shrimp sampler platter. Then you got your beef, pork and chicken, and sandwiches and burgers. And then for drinks, this is cocktails. I'm thinking the rainbow colada. Then you got beer and wine. This is the kids menu. So Lexi's gotten the cheeseburger, Ava got the pepperoni pizza. Lexi, you get to pick one side. So Lexi got corn and Ava got the fresh fruit, which was apple slices or banana. She chose apple slices. And then they get to pick a drink as well. So it can be milk, apple juice or a soft drink. And then they get to pick a dessert, which is the mud cake. Is it mud cake? No, sorry. It's a pudding, chocolate pudding, or an ice cream sandwich. Both of them will probably pick the ice cream sandwich. Then for us, the desserts are the roaming mall. It's like a lava, what is it? Like a rich chocolate brownie, chocolate cake stacked up high with ice cream, whipped topping, chocolate and caramel sauces, candy rocks, cookie pieces and sprinkles. I don't think that will be included in the dining plan. Then you can also choose a key lime pie or a tribal cheesecake, the New York style cheesecake. So I think the bottom two, the key lime pie and cheesecake, are part of the dining plan, which is what we're doing here. So we get a main meal, a dessert, and a drink, any alcoholic. We both got cocktails. Sorry, it's very loud in here. And this place is one dining credit each. Our drinks are here, they look really good. Mine's overflowing. Let's try them. I'm going to try mine. It's good.
It's like tropical juice. I can taste pineapple, orange, peach.
I'm just going to try what this is. It tastes like I was drinking cream. It's like a banana smoothie. Tastes like banana whipped cream. Like fresh banana. Yum. It was supposed to be a rainbow colada, but it's really just pink and white. But it still tastes really good. All the flavours are there. Dinner is here. This is my shrimp. It looks good. That's Lexi's burgers.
Gideon.
That's Ava's pizza. And that's Franuel's food. Yours look good? Huh?
What?
Does it look good?
Yeah.
Smell good? Mine smells good. Can't wait to dig in. Okay, I'm going to try I think this is the coconut crumbed one with the vinaigrette sauce kind of thing. Going to try it without that sauce.
There's a domino. There's a domino.
I'm going to try the glazed one. Oh, a bit spicy. Try the rice. They have a kick. I need a drink. Oh, that was a bit of a kick.
That's fun.
Let me try the fried one.
Eat it all.
Just squirted lemon in my face. Now I'm going to try this one in some, I wonder if it's a garlic sauce. Let's try it. It's like in that little pot. Yeah. That one's my favourite in that garlic sauce. How's your food? You try everything? Oh, you got the same garlic prawns as me, and then you got the fried ones and a
Coconut,
steak.
yeah.
Is it coconut ones?
Yeah.
Desserts here with both me and Fran. You've got the key lime pie, and the girls got the ice cream sandwich.
Oh, is that for us, friend?
It's got some raspberry sauce as well on it. It's not really a traditional key lime pie.
Cheesecake, that's why.
It's like, yeah, what's it called? Not a unbaked cheesecake. It's okay. It's a bit of a letdown. Tastes weird. I don't know what it is. I think I worked out what was making it taste weird. The raspberry cooling wasn't going well with it. At home I do it with a little bit of raspberry sometimes.
Too
It
tart.
tastes okay, but yeah, the raspberry was making it taste, but it wasn't going well with it. It was weird. But when I make it, I put a bit of raspberry, it's fine. It must just be the type of raspberry sauce they've got. So if you leave the raspberry sauce off, it's not too bad. Like, I wouldn't say I'll order this again, but it's okay. So, I just want to say as well, when I got to the edge piece, I would taste that with flavour again. And it's actually the biscuit base, like I don't know if it's graham cracker or what, but there's a weird taste in that biscuit base of it. I don't know what it is. Like that base, yeah, it tastes weird. So this actual filling is really nice. It's just that. It's weird, and this sauce. So this is the bill. So it's covered by the dining plan, but it would have come to, is it $167? And this is the only place so far that I've seen they actually have 15, 18 and 20. Normally it's, what did it say, 18, 20 and 22 for the tip.
What's your back?
Gorillas. What is the elephant? And they actually make noises, and they're moving. The monkeys, frog, crocodile. Oh, alligator. What's that? Ah, it's an iguana. Sorry.
Can I go and look at something that this?
That's a frog. Wow. Look at the fish.
It actually is right there.
They got heaps of these fish tanks around here, in here. And then there's the shop, the gift shop. There's a Christmas shop. Going in the Christmas shop. Oh, feels like it's going to be cold in there.
It's Christmas stuff. All this is Christmas stuff.
Yeah, can we look?
Oh.
Wow.
Christmas stuff.
Oh look, from Inside Out.
Bing bong. Cinderella style.
Look.
Careful because they can break.
What they do in this section. Mama, you look.
Yeah. That's nice. How much are these? $29.99.
It's from the
You can get personalised baubles. Oh, look at this one. That's nice. How much is this one? $34.99.
Stitch.
These are the customizable ones.
$5 per word.
Oh wow, that's Haunted Mansion. Tiana. Oh, look at this. Sally, Mike, and Boo.
Look at this one.
That is nice.
Can you get it?
Lights up.
Yeah, no.
Be careful with it. Wow. Wow. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, look, Chippendale. That's pretty too. It's got all 4 parks on it. Look up.
Where's an apple?
Wow. We love Christmas decorations. Every year we say no more, and every year we still buy more. Wow. And mini. This is a pin store. Let's go have a look. Oh, look at this one.
Oh no! But don't hurry up! What is $45?
Oh, this is what I want. But all the ones that I like have the year on it. I don't really want everything to have the year. How much is this one? 15. Oh, really? Why don't they have this in the... Why don't they have all this range in the hotel stores, the resort stores? Why here? You need it when you check in to use at the parks. You either have it inside the park or here, which is ridiculous.
Disney store and they didn't have
Yeah.
this many.
That's the one you got last time. I know. And then there was a lightsaber one that I thought was cool.
We're just walking to the bus. I'm going to go back to our hotel, back to Pop, and get ready for bed. And get ready for a good night's sleep, because tomorrow we've got a big day at Hollywood Studios. I think a storm might be coming. Getting a few lightning strikes as well. Anyway, I think I will leave it at that. and say good night to you all, and I'll see you all in my next vlog, which will probably be Hollywood Studios. Night everyone.